Kublai pi baro kini longki kubor bam tagasngi. Umentri rangba ka Meghalaya ukonrat ki sangma kasngi palai. Ulapan pau ki jing sngokya halor katu kat neki kam ki blang sa jing ya pynbeit. Henry ulapan jur bamana Snem kadai kapor ban pai jing ro ban bishar biangi ki jing ya lenti. Bat ban pynbeit iki thong hagarukam ka bakhamba. Haba priang jingkeli na kilat pathai kubor ha sekretarian umentri rangba ulo ong ba umkwa ban benya apalat shaphangi resolution shimen. Namargi neki jingit mu jubi shar biang hakabakut jang Snem. Henry ula banjur bakalong kapadan kambha ban bishar ki kam ki bnangsa bam patla ban pynbeit hakabakut jang mana Snem bat ban wat kilat kumno ban pynlet shakman yaki. Kum kaduksa usang ma ula kadawi ka jing kabala Slam bhasha pangkinong hikai ad hoc bat SSA ula ong bakani kadai ka wei na ki thong ba ula bu nadu ka jing sedang jang Snem baladem. Ngalabu ya ka thong banwat ya kalat jingya pynbeit khrang bakan don ka jingya bet jingya renti bat jingya tali. Bat kum gini ki jingya kim dai shu ban mi biang haki Snem banwan ula ong. Umentri rangba ula penpawi ka jing sohun baya gani ka kam lala ban penkut haka bakut jang Snem baladem hadian shibun ki jingya kran bat jingya selong. Wat la ka jing betray kam ya ka rai kan sedang nadu ubna ya yong hendrai ula ong baka rai kaladet ban shim bat lapriang da baro kinong ya don benta. Ula keren ru syapang gajing ya Slam ha ka scholarship da ka ba ong baka sarkar jela kala ya keren baka sarkar India bar kala la ban pynbeit ya gani gajing khnang bakum kini gajing ya syam ken om mi shu ha ki Snem banwan haba ula keren syapang ga thong ka bakong san na ga benta Snem ar hajar ar pendriu u sangma ula ong baka kam Pynkhuid bar ka sanitation ha ka lengka jela kan long ka priority ka bakong san. Ngadon ka jing tmu ka bas kamba ha uni Snem ban pet gerpang ya ka kam Pynkhuid bar ka sanitation ha ka jela baro ka wei ula ong. Da ka babin rap baka ni ka long ka badon kamba na marki national games ki badangwan. Baro bangala ban ong ka long ba ka jing ya kran kadang ya chakman baka ni ka ri ka jing ya lenti ban pinya tali ya ki jingmut san hima bapher. Kam long ka basuk hendang ya chakman la ong umentri rangba.
Time. So I just would like to open it up for questions, and if you have anything to ask, I'll be happy to reply to your questions. Thank you very much.
Sir,
Of course, there are many things. I don't want to speak about all of that right now because those are, I've always believed that these should be goals and missions and targets that one should keep to guide one's work forward. So I don't want to go too much into details of that because I'm sure that when December comes, then you will look at that and question me, "Oh, what happened to your resolution?" So I don't want to go into details of that. But having said that, what is very important every year we look at, uh, a particular calendar year, and of course we look at certain issues that have been left unresolved, and we try to see that how we'll be able to take it forward. I mean, just to give an example to you, I've been always wanting to find a solution to this entire situation of the teachers in the ad hoc and SSA teachers. And last year, in the beginning of the year, I had told myself as a part of my resolution that I will find a solution to this. And before the end of the year, I will do something to find a solution so that we are able to have some kind of stability and some kind of functionality going on in a smooth manner, and issues like this no longer crop up in the future. And I'm happy that we were able to resolve that last year. We came to a conclusion right at the end of the year. Implementation, of course, will take place in April. But the decision has been made, and they are all aware about the decision, and it was done at a very large scale in terms of discussions. So, therefore, we always have that, and it helps us work forward. Scholarships were an issue, which I said that, look, I'm going to find a solution to this also, so that in the future there's no delay in scholarships, and we managed to speak to Government of India and resolve it. So like that, there are many such things. One very, very important priority, I should say, for me, which I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I've shared it with my team. So this is one thing I can share with you, and the rest I will not talk much, is to do with cleanliness. I am very, very determined this year to really focus on sanitation and cleanliness in the state as a whole. And obviously, this is also to do a lot with the national games coming up. So when people come, they should look at Shillong, Tura, Jowai, and the state as a whole as very clean, and the sense of civic sense and all those aspects is something that I would like to really inculcate. So it's not an easy task, but this is something that I really want to do. So we will align all our actions and our resources and also the stakeholders to work in a much more dedicated manner, in a much more detailed manner, to try and move closer to that goal. So I know it will not be so easy, but we will do that. So that's one thing that I'm really wanting to do, and I will speak about it more. We have already planned many things, and I've already started rolling them out also. But as I said, maybe at a later date I'll share the detailed plan with you. But that's something that I really want to do. So we have been consulting and talking to many of our leaders, and the process of many of them coming into the party will and when working together and having some kind of a platform will happen. It is something that is very desirable. A lot of people have seen that there's a very positive thing to it, and for many years, and I should say decades, many political parties have tried to move on forward in that, and it's not been so easy. So again, it's again part of one of the goals that we kind of set for ourselves. So we're trying to achieve something that has never been done before in one way. So it's not very simple, and there are obviously a lot of concerns. And then how will we work in one uniformity? What about different aspects of the parties and their concerns? So all of this in the first 45 days, as we had said, we have discussed this, and we are moving forward. A lot of discussion has taken place, but it would not be appropriate for me to share that with all of you right now because it's not been announced yet. So all I can tell you is that we are discussing with a lot of leaders, and a lot of excitement is there. And at the appropriate time, we'll take the decisions. It's not like a foundation stone of a particular project that we can just simply say that it's going to be on the 25th of January or 25th of thing. This is a process of different political minds coming together. It takes time. It's not so simple. So we will work towards it, but our intentions are clear, and we will work towards moving it forward.